Hello, I am Dharmishta. Today we will learn about text tool, converting text into basic shape, animating text with timeline effect and animating text with the shape tuning. Now first one is text tool. Flash allows you to add a text to your movie. You can set various attributes for text, style, font size, color, alignment, etc. You can create a special effect by manipulating text just like you manipulated other object. Next one is converting text into basic shape. Flash has a unique feature to convert text into basic shape. You can reshape a character using selection tool. You can also fill a characters with the gradient. After converting text into a shape, you can now edit it as a text. By using break apart option, we can convert a text into basic shape. It is available in Modify menu. Then select a Break Apart option. See here, we will perform how to use the text tool. First of all, select text tool, then set its related property. It is given in a property inspector below side of the screen. We can set font size, font color. Okay, see, in this way, see here we set a color, red color, then type on the stage. Here we type keep smiling. So in this way we can use a text tool and type a text on the stage. See. Now take another file. See in this way. Here we type have a fun and then click a modify menu. Select it, then click on modify menu, then select a break apart option. First time select break apart option, it convert text block into multiple text block. Now again select break apart, it convert multiple text block into shape. Now here we applied gradient to a first shape. So first of all select it by using arrow tool, then click on fill color option which is available on right side. See, select it, then fill color option, then select there gradient. In this way we can apply gradient into first shape of the text. Now next one is animation text with timeline effect. Flash provide built-in time effect that help you create animation by simple select a few options. You can apply effect like fade in, fade out, explode. These options available on insert menu, then select timeline effect option. Then you can select as per your requirement. Here we perform timeline effects. First of all, to open document property by using Ctrl plus J shortcut key. Then set a dimension. Here we increase the size of stage. Then type there smile. See. Then click on select it by using arrow tool. Then click on insert menu. Then timeline effect. Then effects. Then select there explode. Explode dialog box appear. Right side it show the preview of animation with default setting you can set as per your requirement. Here we set 50 frame, then click on OK option. See, now see here, then click on control plus play. See, in this way we can run a program. Again click on and then play. This is the effect, timeline effect. Here we will perform shape twinning. First of all, increase the size of stage by pressing Ctrl plus J shortcut key and to open document property. See, in this way. Then set a dimension with 900 option value, then OK. So in this way we can increase the size of stage. Now click on text tool, then select its color, then set font size. Here we set a value of font size, see, 75. Then type on the stage, plan out your work. Then click on selection tool and select the sentence in this way. Then click on modify menu, then break apart for converting into multiple block. Again select break apart and convert into shape. Now select frame number 14, then insert menu, then timeline and select keyframe. In this way we can insert a keyframe. Now again select the selection tool and delete a sentence. In a frame number 40, again we type a new sentence and work with your plan. See, in this way. Then select it, then modify menu and break apart for converting into multiple block. Again click break apart for converting into shape. Now click any one frame between 1 to 40 and then in a property inspector select their shape in a twin option, then select first one frame, then click Ctrl and play. In this way we perform shape twinning. See, select first frame, then Ctrl, then play. That is called animating text with shape twinning.